On Saturday morning, we went to Tagaytay as early as we can, but unfortunately, we were delayed for 30 minutes because I took the wrong side of the Skyway. So we need to go down again and drive at the right route.
Try again.
That's blooper number 1.
Ito na kasi matraffic.
Welcome to stage 3. Ano yun? Donut. Ayaw mo. Kasi swimming ka mamaya. Wala kang towel. Ano? Welcome to Kala. Welcome. Welcome. Ayun, so we didn't know na iba pa pala yung RFID sa Calab. So we only have auto sweep. Ay.
Sige pa.
Kapit ko na lang. So we have easy trip. Iba pa siya sa auto sweep.
We were planning to eat at Catonines as recommended by Ariel because actually he wasn't Tagaytay for the last 3 days before this trip, but unfortunately we need to wait because we don't have any table. So we just decided to go to the nearby restaurant, which was Pocholos, which is actually pretty nice.
Hindi na kami natuloy sa sa Pocholos na lang. Hindi pa. Kasi puno sila. Pocholos. Doon ka maingay. Hi. Apa. Kataas meron. Dalhin mo na si Dun. Kansi. Oo. Anong kamay gusto ko? Pwede doon? Thank you. Mas maganda pa nga dito. Mas maaliwalas. Wala kayong naiwan doon sa table, eh. Parang may nakita akong ay...
Wala kang table.
Ang ganda. Ganda. Doon na to. Pa-picture ka dito, ate. Picture lang kita. Donut. Donut.
Sige magpansin.
Okay lang. Yung cute ni Donut. Parang sa Baguio, no? Yung ano niya.
Baguio ano?
Little Baguio. Nandahan namin kotse. No, not. No, no.
Tapos meron isa tayo dito sa drawer po, sa loob sa kwarto. May drawer po dyan dito sa bedroom.
Thank you. Maliit lang pala siya. Pero okay na. At least aircon yung sala. Tapos may balcony.
Saan tayo aircon dito?
Ano po nga eh.
Or baka yung nabigyan.
Namaya buksan na lang natin yung bintana para, ay yung pintuan para ano. Ito ba yung swimming pool? Ayun. Okay. Siya, maliligo na ako. Here na, Balaytaang. Sa baba po. Sa baba yung parking. So what can you say?
It's so nice here. Nakakain lang.
Congrats, Long and Chris.
Thank you for everything. To all of our bears and flowers, please stand by.
At may pa-fireworks si Mayor. Congrats, Lau and Chris.
As an army, proud moment. BDSV singing.
Everybody, the grand entrance of the Newlyweds! Here they are! That's right! Here they are, the Lasko family! To all our guests, make some noise for Chris and Lawrence!
This is our Airbnb in Pine Suites, Crown Asia. So I just came back from the wedding. Hingal pa. We're here now in Sky Ranch. Unfortunately, after the wedding, so sana namin pumasok. Pasok ng 10 PM lang pala. Tama. Sorry guys. So, yan. Nagpa-picture na lang sila. In the background ng Ferris wheel. Makakatawa lang. Kasi, I mean, pwede naman sana mag-park, diba? Para magpa-picture. Pero yung mga guard, ayaw na magpapasok. I mean, may mga restaurants naman kayo. So, why not extend at least the restaurants, diba? For eating. I don't know. Yun lang naman my own comment. So, apparently, lahat ng Starbucks sarado. Ay, saan ako pumupunta? Ayan. Lahat ng Starbucks, tawag dito, puno lagi haba ng pila. So, naghanap kami ng other restos, coffee shop. Meron dito sa patio, espresso. Donut to? Antok na ang mumu. Antok na ang donut. Antok na si donut. Antok number 1. Antok number 2. Antok number 3. Antok number 4. Si Donut, hindi pa inaantok. Inom ka?
Ano yung pie?
Ayan po yung white mocha. Ito po yung macchiato.
White mocha.
Ito yung dalawang
Got you. Espresso. Okay, morning, Donut.
Tulog ang. Gising na ang. Bebe! Let's explore outside. Wow! Sarap mag-swimming. Morning! Ganda ng ano nila. Parang DMCI stand. I'm not sure which one went, you know, which one nauna. But similar to DMCI, parang ito yung, sorry. Donut, halika na, let's walk. Ang lakad muna kami ni Donut. Come here na. Oh, ang ganda oh. Pwede mag-swimming dun sa pool. This is how it looks like, guys. Ganda kasi for pine trees. Hence the pine sweets. But yeah, this is their pool. Come here. Pool area. Ganda. Siguro Tagaytay, maganda to for families. Come here, come here. Fine sweets. What's nice about this Airbnb, guys, may sariling parking siya. So, hindi siya ganun ka-hassle.
Baguio. Nandun na sila. Kaya mo ba mag-ano? Okay lang. Hindi, okay lang. Ganda guys. First time ko rin dito sa Crosswind Park. Crosswinds. Pero may payment sila, like 200 per head for walking in. But if you have a car, pay 500 for the whole car. So first stop, we're going here in Napa. Donut! Hello! Donut, ayaw mo? Ito yung first restaurant nila na pa. They sell wine and pasta. Donut po. Mag-picture tayo dito sa pine tree, oh. Ayaw niya. Yung kanya-kanyang puno, tapos picture lang ako kayo nung lumalabas. Lao, ano pa paano i-pronounce yun? Donut! Baby pa yan, oh, yung golden retriever na yan.
Baka mo nga sandali. Magkukuha na. Light ko lang.
Yan. Wait lang. Naman yan. Dito. Ang ganda. Baba tayo dun mamaya, mga village, yung mga bahay-bahay. Yung isang restaurant nila. I don't know what's the name though. Endurance. Yan, baba kami dun sa mga parang village. Hindi ako yun.
Ayan, o, diba?
Ha? Ayaw niya? Ayaw niya, sir?
Even pauwi guys, may bloopers pa rin. So lessons learned, laging make sure na may laman yung pag-sweep or easy trip. So that's it for my vlog. Time to go home. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.